But it's whether it's the worker working with the leather or the customer that's going to be wearing it, you really need to look at the big picture first of all, and then start chunking it down more and more specific until you've got that final picture that you can translate onto a drawing. Critical measurements are an absolute must. I've included with this a long list of measurements that you should take as a general rule overall from whatever you're working with. Essentially, you need to measure everything. This is why, this is why at the same time, whilst taking the measurements, it's critical. This is why, if at all possible, whether it's for you or whether it's for a client, if you can get them to make a duct tape dummy, or you make it part of the process to make a mannequin of them, you're going to have the perfect fit. It's going to help you to visualize things in the future when it comes to the final piece that you're going to be creating, and will absolutely make a massive difference in terms of the finished item and how it works.